Hi, I'm Nick from Allen & Heath, and we're here at the ISC 2019 show to show all of the solutions that Allen & Heath can offer to installation, to permanent installation. We have the DM0 here, which is one of 7 different engines or cores, if you like, in the family of products, and they all share the same FPGA engine inside, 128 input channels for processing, 64 configurable buses, and up to 800 system inputs and outputs which can be freely patched in a system. So as you can see, I can mount different options, different formats, from MADI to Dante to Waves, or our own optical, fiber optic solutions. And I can start expanding the system with as much analog I/O as I like, using a range of expanders on our DX protocol, which is plug and play, Ethernet layer 2, or using Dante. So we are showing a new Dante card option. This one is 128 by 128 channels of Dante and 96 kHz, switchable to 48 kHz for legacy compatibility. So you can mount multiple Dante cards if you like. With a Dante option, you can also use Dante expanders. So these are available in our own DX version or in the Dante version from now, which means that they're much more networkable on a larger network across corporate LAN switches and so on. They come in 2 form factors, the 16.8, which is portable and deployable in any venue, or the 16.4 down here, which is a wall mount option, again, available on Dante standard. The 16.4 wall mount option has 3 different power sources that can be used to suit different regulations in different territories. So it can be powered by an IEC cable, it can be powered by an armored cable with screw terminals and a gland connector on the back and certified by the electric engineer, or it can be powered by DC 12 volts. What we're also showing is the range of control options that we have with this system, starting from GPIO, so contact closures or relay on the outputs, to hardware remote controllers in the IP range. So the IP8, IP6 with faders or rotaries respectively. And this can be assigned to any function in the dLive system, in the installation system. On top of these, we have wallplate options up here in US or European standard. Again, completely assignable. I can use it for level control of the room, or I can use it for source selection or possibly preset selection of different setups for my room. Also new are the Crestron AMX and Extron drivers for our range of products. This means we can now facilitate the adoption of Allen Heath systems to Crestron integrators, AMX integrators, and instead of manually writing the interface, starting with hex strings like they used to do, they can grab a driver from the Crestron marketplace or the AMX website and simply integrate any function of our system into a control interface. On this side, we have the Custom Control app, which is a new application from Allen Heath. This can run on Android, Windows, Mac, or iOS systems, and we can configure the system to present different interfaces, different layouts to different users, depending on their role in the venue, depending on the type of device that they're using. So we can have a different interface for iPhone than the one that will be presented to a tablet or a full Windows system. And again, the system administrator can have a different interface compared to the lecturer in a university, for example. So it's a full range of control options, core engines for processing and expanders, whether it's analog DX expansion or Dante, the new Dante options. And for any more information, please visit our website, www.allen-heath.com, and you will find plenty of information on white papers and resources to guide you into the installation of Allen Heath products. Thank you.